still on, still winning, still good as the beginning. What the hell they talking about? Still breathing, still cooking with some seed to give care. If you believe it be the reason that they run their mouth. So many ghosts about the world, so we're a haunted house. Many lost their lives, bagging a large amount. That's why we gon' get in, get ours and bounce. Maxing out each and every account by all accounts. Never stepping out with less than a half an ounce. For my personal, told Jinx I want it all. He asked me what is it worth to you? I need to know before I work with you. Told him it's worth everything that's purposeful. All things worth getting, from which we both should be benefiting. From something grand that'll be fitting. Two kings respected one another's mind. Concurrent, meaning on same type time.
You think you can handle
truth? This is a robbery! Give me everything!
Stay quiet, baby. Papa got you.
Right to punch you. Who sent you?
They ask if it's true when they say you're a madman. Typical misconception when you hail from the badland. They profiling, we square business with no smiling. On some whatever it takes, still shining, styling, wildly aggressive on grind, violent, acting out of compliance, moving in silence, hella mileage on the whip. We hot bottom, finally polished, then we dip on the never-ending flip.
No! Ah!
Never ending flip on that water like a ship, but we ain't wet. Ready though, in the block set, they ain't gotta say shit but go. So lifting your body like leaves when the wind blow. Been about that from the get-go. A Bendigo, me Shack, Shadrach, never buying down the idols. We saw a lot but no rivals, respect of no title. Vital to the game like clean air. A mean stare to glare with sad warfare. So much of it, the real they gon' love it. But if they stuck, they gon' find it hard to stomach. Got him seeing doctors. We see Christ coming, mind knocked up. Temperatures rising, but hell's hotter. Let me get that out ya. Telling us we become what we allow. Allowed us to become who we are now. Never hold me again if you fail to hold me down. Since they ain't want us to win, we stop to keep coming around. Playing with the dope slam. No sir, no ma'am. Must understand we ain't falling for scams. We be damned if we do, but we don't go. We travel past leading to places they won't go.
Contact! We got contact!
Like I say, on same type time. Upper echelon, production and rhyme. Exquisite arrangements and writing. With a touch of the game for some excitement. Hell, I'm trying to get you feeling how I'm feeling. Glass of wine, good treat, big chillin'. They say it sound like money, I say 500 million. Pushing the building, two players in the building. Business and business, no tripping how you feeling. Quite the journey from winging it to wheeling and dealing. Something worth giving, something appealing. Talent like a drop top, no ceiling. Out of limits, big sharks in the water, no swimming. Quite the dangerous job is what it's giving. Dig it, the flow so frigid, got folks shivering.
Supposed to be dead.
Many years at the craft, that's the difference. It all adds up to making plenty sense. Clear direction, no longer on the fence. Professionalism with some magnificence. And a touch of righteousness with elegance.
You messed with the wrong corner.
You think you can
That's the one! That's the bullet!
Mike, look, 1968, your grandfather owned lots 14 through 22. That includes your corner and the property next door. When they shut his pool hall down, the city illegally seized it and sold it to a shell company. So legalese, that developer land was always your family.
So we taking it all back?